Well, currently, data classification is mired in what I call the security domain. And that's largely been fueled by a fascination with EU GDPR and an over-focus on PII, on personally identifiable information. This has led to a whole raft of new entrants entering the data classification space, mostly offering oversimplified security labeling solutions combined with their own protective technologies. A minimalistic labeling scheme is mostly driven by the need to keep things simple for the end users, who really struggle to understand even the most basic security labeling schemes. That lack of understanding creates an awareness gap that's really the challenge faced by almost every CISO in every organization that we encounter, and often leads to data classification solutions only working to the very lowest common denominator. The security domain is not the only one addressed by data classification. There's also a data domain which is more focused on delivering business efficiency. So, for example, organizing, locating, archiving, and the deletion of information that's redundant. All of that has strong associations with both content management and data management. This data domain is really all about using categorization to identify what the information is about and not just how sensitive it is. So if we look to combine the security and data domains, then we can address many of the shortcomings in the current security labeling solutions. I think this is best described as a series of connected questions. If I know what the information is, then I know what it's about. If I know what it's about, then I know how sensitive it is. And if I know how sensitive it is, I know how to protect it. And data categorization is really at the top of that chain of questions. You answer that initial question, and you can drive out both security labeling and the protective controls that are associated with it. Data categorization is readily understood by end users as it deals with the stuff that they work with day to day, which is why it's often used in enterprise search solutions to help people find information. That familiarity gives users the confidence to easily assign or review the category of information, and that in turn allows the security label to be automatically assigned, which closes that security awareness gap and keeps the CISO happy. Well, a data classification solution that takes this broader view can capture and use additional contexts beyond just security. So, for example, a data management context or a data retention context. These additional contexts create a framework to deliver the greater business efficiency alongside achieving the basic security objectives.